friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I am getting lot of queries on what material I am using for my acrylic painting. So today I am going to show you all the material required for the same and their uses too. So let's start from the base, that is canvas. So I use two type of canvas, the canvas board and a stretched canvas. So the difference between the two is the material is the cloth material is same, but this is stretched on a hard board and this is quite cheaper and affordable for everyone. So this can be used by kids also and anyone who want to start painting and doesn't want to spend much. And these are the stretched ones, so they are a little bit costlier than this, and the space they take is the space to store them is, you require a lot of space to store them, and this one you can keep in less space. But to hang them you need to get them framed, but these can be hanged on the wall because they have a frame like this on the back, and so you can easily hang them on the wall like this. Okay, so these are the two types of canvas that I'm using. Now the second thing that comes is brushes. So I use two type of brushes. So these are the soft one. See, these bristles are soft. These are soft brushes and they are good for wet on wet mixing. So these are soft, so easily they can do wet on wet mixing, can be done very nicely with them. And second brushes, these are the hog ear brushes, the hard one. These are good for dry mixing. Sorry for that. These are good for the dry mixing, and I usually prefer these for my canvas paintings. The third thing is knives. These are the different types of knives, some flat one, some round shape, these are the diagonal one. So these are good for texture painting, knife painting, and if you want to use thick colors and like for good for trees and all. So for trees and bushes, this brush is also very good. So this gave a very good effect of bushes and tree. Just take the color and dab like this, and this will give a good bush effect. Now third main thing is the colors. So colors, I am using two types of color. These are Camel artistic color. They come in tubes. Some you can get a big tube or a small tube. This tube is 120 ml and this one is 40 ml. So whatever is your requirement, these are thick colors. So the pigment in these color is more. And the second one is Fevicryl acrylic colors. They contain a medium in it, so you don't need to add anything in this. You can use these color directly to your surface. But for this I use water as a medium, and sometimes you can use a acrylic medium also, thinners like that. So before starting doing the colors, you need to use this primer. This is Artist Gesso. This is also from Camel, and before starting any painting you need just to use this primer on your canvas. Why is this just so important? Because if you use color directly on the canvas will absorb a lot of color, and to give a primer, the colors will come out very nicely. The effect of colors will come out nicely when you apply gesso on the canvas. It acts like a base or foundation, you can say. Now the last thing that I use to seal my painting is a varnish. So I used for acrylic colors we use water based varnish. So I generally used Asian Paints water based varnish for my paintings, to seal my paintings, and it requires 2 coats of this varnish to give a nice glossy shine, and it will seal your painting. You can just need so if you want to clean your painting, you just need to rub a cloth on it and it will be clean. So that's it. I think I have covered all the things that needed for the acrylic painting. Now if you want anything in detail, I can show you in my next video to how to use soft brushes or the hard brushes. So let me know in comment section what next you want to know. So I'll make a video on that. I hope you like this video and it will be helpful for you or the beginners to start the acrylic painting. Thank you.